Hello guys, today I explain exercise 5I. Okay, 5I. In this exercise, we find the again and again differentiation with respect to x, otherwise any x. So here we, if I give you y equal to a x to the power 5 plus b x to the power 4 c x to the power 3 d x d x square. Okay, here is given ex plus x. Now we find the differentiate d4y upon dx4. That means here we find the 4 time differentiation with respect to x. So I differentiate dy upon dx. So here is 5a x to the power 4 plus 4b x cube. Everybody know x to the power n differentiation and x and minus 1. We use 3c x square plus 2dx plus e, and this is a 0. Now we find the 4 times. So first we find the first time. Now we find second time. So we there dx square d square y upon dx square means again differentiate with respect to x. 20 a x cube plus 12 x square plus 6cx plus 2d is a 0. Now here is 2 times differentiation. Now I differentiate again. That means 3 times. So 60 ax square plus 24vx plus 6c. 2d is a constant value, so this differentiate 0. Now d4y upon d2 x4 equal to, that means we differentiate this equation in 4 times. So 220 ax plus 2v 24 vx. Here is x, that means this is a differentiate 1 and 60. So final answer here. So if we find the 1 time, that we find the dy upon dx. If we differentiate this equation 2 times, so we write here d2y upon dx2, and here is 3 times, and here is 4 times. Now this is denoted by many different way. If we take, so here we write b dash. If I ask you find the value y dash, so that means we differentiate 1 time. If I ask you find the value differentiate 2 times, so we denoted by is y double dash. If we denoted y 1 dash, that means dy upon dx differentiate 1 time. If we take 2 times, d square y upon dx square, otherwise d double dash, y double dash. If I write y triple dash, that means this differentiate 3 times, and we write here. If I solve question, I give you y and I ask you, that means b by double dash. I ask you find the value of by double dash. That means we differentiate given value in 2 times, and here is a 4. Four times. Okay. If I write, if any questions not asked this type, if questions ask here y1, that means here is differentiate 1 time, y2 differentiate 2 times, y3 differentiate 3 times, y4 differentiate 4 times. So variables are y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, and this is a differentiation. So there is questions like this types. Here is, you know how we find the differentiate 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So denoted by this type, otherwise this type, otherwise this type. And fx given So we denoted by fx dash, fx double dash, fx triple dash, this types also. Okay. So here I think everybody understood how we find the value dy, d2, d3. In questions, second, third, fourth are same. Find the value d cube, d3, d4. Question number 5. Find the second differentiation. Okay. Yeah, right. Second differentiation. X cube dex. X cube log ex. Differentiate. If I suppose that this is a y, what suppose they differentiate? Y. So we find the dy upon dx. Find into second. First into differentiation of second plus second into differentiation of first. Here we write this types, otherwise you take common. If you want, take common, otherwise you here differentiate by respect to x. Again differentiate by respect to x. So here is 2x, here is 6x. No, here is we denoted by first and second function. So first into differentiation of second plus second into differentiation of first. So here is 2x plus 3x plus 2x log ax. Now we solve. This is plus and this is also. Okay, this is a final answer of this value. Now there is question number 6 are same. We find the second differentiation and we find the d2y upon dx2 and there is same as question number 10. So I think everybody have find the differentiation. In this case, I find the only double differentiation. Now question number 11. Given questions are y equal to a cos x and b sin x. Y equal to a cos x plus b sin x. This is a given. B sin x. And prove that d24y upon dx4 equal to y. So that otherwise prove that. So first we find the dy upon dx. A minus sin x, y differentiation of sin x equal to a cos x equal to minus sin x plus b cos x. Now again differentiation. So here is a cos x plus b minus, here is plus minus minus sin x and this is a minus, so here we take here minus. Now triple time differentiation. So my cos x is a plus sin x. Why? Cos x has minus sin x. Minus b sin x has cos x. This is differentiation cos x. So now we differentiate again 4 times. Okay. So here is a sin x differentiation cos x and cos x differentiation plus sin x. Why? Because cos x differentiation minus sin x, so minus minus plus. Let's see. We start here. This is the same. So this is proved. Okay. And proved. And proved. That means we differentiate 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times and find the final answer. Here are question number 12 also same as here is we differentiate 2 times. Okay. Here is find the value 2 times. This is very easy going differentiation exercise. if you know how we find the differentiation. If you know how we find the differentiation, you solve, otherwise you can't solve. Question number 12. Question number 12. Here is given x square log x, y equal to x square log x. So here we differentiate and find the value. Dy upon dx equal to first into second function, first into second differentiation plus second into first. Now there is cancel, so x plus 2x log ax. Here we take common, otherwise not common. So I don't take common, I only differentiate again. So x differentiation 1. Here is first function and second function. 2 here common. First into differentiation of second plus second into differentiation of first. So here is 1 plus, this is cancel, 2 plus log this is a value of d2y upon dx2. I think everyone understood how we find the value, given value. Here is questions are same, only difference is on 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Okay, let's see. This is we explain how we write the by 1, by 2, and just solve the question. So this is a question that let's see. Here is question. What is the question? Y equal to sin inverse x whole square, and prove that x square plus 1 whole square y2 plus 2x x square plus 1 y1 equal to 2. So let's see, here is a write y1 and y2. So here we write this type. Only for example, explain, not you write. Here is denoted by this type. Okay, y1 that means only 1 time differentiation, y2 that means 2 time differentiation. So I solve here dy upon dx. Tan inverse x. So I write first this is a t, so 2t tan inverse x. When we differentiate, let's suppose that t, I suppose that tan inverse as a t, so we differentiate 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, there is dy upon dx. 2 tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. Now we differentiate again, so we use numerator and denominator. Okay, numerator and denominator. So I use here formula numerator and denominator and find the value dy square upon dy, and we put here value, that means right hand, left hand side and right hand side are right. ओके, अब आप इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे और आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. ओके.